If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Welcome to ZaranTech on Consultant's Guide to SAP Universal Parallel Accounting Training. In this video, we will provide an in-depth look at implementing and using Universal Parallel Accounting, or UPA, in SAP. UPA allows you to manage multiple ledgers and accounting principles in your SAP system, simplifying financial reporting and analysis. First, we will explore how to set up the foundation for UPA by configuring parallel ledgers for different accounting principles in your system. Setting up parallel ledgers. I will demonstrate how to configure and manage multiple parallel ledgers in your SAP system to support different accounting standards or principles. We will cover the configuration steps to create new ledgers and assign them as leading or non-leading ledgers. Accounting principles. Next, we will discuss the accounting principles supported by UPA, like IFRS and US GAAP. I will show you how to configure and activate the practical examples. To help cement these concepts, we will go through real-world examples and use cases of configuring parallel ledgers and principles for a company. This will illustrate how UPA works in practice. After the initial configuration, we will focus on how to activate Universal Parallel Accounting in your live SAP system. There are a few options for activation that we will cover. Activation options. I will explain the differences between activating UPA using pre-activation and post-activation methods. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each approach. Configuration steps. Then, we will walk step by step through the activation process. I will demonstrate the configuration transactions and settings required to turn on UPA. We'll also cover common activation errors and how to avoid them. Common pitfalls. In this section, we will outline some key pitfalls that can disrupt your UPA activation and how to dodge them. I will provide tips and tricks based on real-world experience to ensure a smooth activation. Now we will explore using UPA for your production accounting processes. I'll explain how UPA synchronizes production and financial accounting in real time. Real-time updates. First, we'll see how UPA posts production transactions immediately to finance, providing up-to-date financial statements. This avoids delays or mismatches across departments. Multiple valuations. We'll also cover how UPA can maintain multiple parallel valuations for production, which is useful for meeting different accounting standards. Seamless reporting. Finally, I'll demonstrate how UPA enables consolidated reporting across production and financial data. This gives you a unified view of all activities. Next, let's discuss how UPA impacts your asset accounting processes for asset transfers, construction, depreciation, and reporting. Asset transfers. I'll show you how UPA simplifies asset transfers between your parallel ledgers, reducing complexity and manual work. Assets under construction. We'll also cover how UPA improves accounting for assets under construction by allowing different valuations across ledgers. Depreciation. In addition, we'll explore how UPA enables the use of different depreciation methods per ledger to align with various accounting principles. Asset reporting. Finally, I'll demonstrate how UPA allows asset reporting across all ledgers, giving you a consolidated view for finance and accounting. Let's move on to discuss how UPA enhances your financial planning processes like budgeting and forecasting. Integrated planning. I'll explain how UPA enables integrated financial planning by connecting your production plans to budgeting and forecasting. Budgeting. We'll also cover how UPA supports different parallel budgeting processes to meet the needs of individual ledgers and principles. Forecasting. Additionally, we'll see how UPA allows for multiple forecasting models and scenarios across your ledgers for improved insights. Next, we'll explore UPA's consolidated reporting and analysis capabilities. Consolidated reporting. I'll show you how UPA creates unified financial reports across your parallel ledgers with different currencies or principles. Financial analysis. We'll also leverage UPA's real-time data to generate charts, KPIs, and other analytics for enhanced business insights. Finally, I'll demonstrate UPA's detailed data overviews, including ledger-specific and consolidated views for optimal transparency. In our final section, we'll cover best practices for UPA along with troubleshooting advice. Advisory services. I'll recommend utilizing expert advisory services from SAP to ensure you implement industry best practices and get the most from UPA. Troubleshooting. We'll also outline common UPA issues and walk through how to efficiently resolve them if they arise in your system. Maintaining your system. Finally, I'll provide guidance on properly maintaining your SAP system and UPA configuration through backups, updates, and support.
Have questions about SAP? We're here to help you. Contact us today for corporate training by visiting our website www.ZaranTech.com. Email info@zarantech.com or mobile number 515 309 7846 and check out our Salesforce catalog.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.